In a jungle, there lived two friends, the rat and the elephant. One day, rat went to elephant and said, "Today temperature is so high, water quantity is decreasing. Come, my dear friend, let's go and have some water."
No dear, I'm unable to come there. It's too long. I can't walk with this heavy body. I'll faint in the middle itself. I know it's impossible to me to come there and have some water.
Okay, dear. Rat went to a nearby pond and drank some water and came back to his friend elephant and said,
Dear friend, please go and have some water. If you think it is impossible to you, you're never going to have it. Just believe in yourself, you can do anything. A belief is a thought in your mind. Don't believe in things to harm you or hurt you. Just believe in your power of your subconscious to heal, inspire and strengthen you and prosper you. According to your belief, it is done unto you. Change your thoughts and change your life. Keep your mind busy with expectation of best. Your subconscious will faithfully reproduce your habitual thing. Thank you, dear, for helping me to realize my thoughts. Elephant went to nearby pond and drank some water. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.